Now, the report also noted that there were several improvements in the equipment used in the sterilization of medical tools. Reporting live in Columbia, Jessica Hawley, KMU8 News.
Well, today marks the one-year anniversary of President Obama's passing the Affordable Care Act.
KMU8's Nina Moyni shows us how Mid-Missouri small business owners believe the bill is affecting them.
The morning started with a forum here in Columbia bringing small business owners and government officials together to discuss how the Affordable Care Act has impacted small businesses in Mid-Missouri over the past year. One Fayette business owner showed me how the new law is helping her employees.
All right, we'll see her then.
1 year into the Affordable Care Act, Dr. Hope Tinker says a small business tax credit in the law helped her family practice grant health insurance to 4 of 16 employees and save money in the process.
We qualified for a substantial tax credit.
Here's how her business qualified. Tinker has fewer than 25 full-time employees for 2010. Their average annual wages are less than $50,000, and Tinker pays at least 50% of the premium cost of the insurance.
When we went to our accountant this past year and said, yeah, we want to apply for this tax credit, he was kind of skeptical at first.
Across town, a small insurance business owner says Tinker's accountant had good reason to be skeptical.
The costs are so high, it's kind of like either they can afford it or they can't afford it. I don't see how it could ever reduce their costs.
Walker says costs will only continue to rise for employers offering insurance. For Tinker, the benefits outweigh the costs.
If a health care provider can't provide health insurance for their employees, what kind of deal is that?
Now, 90% of Missouri small businesses qualify for some amount of the small business tax credit. For more information on how to calculate the tax credit amount, visit our website, KOMU.com, under the story called Business Owners Talk Healthcare 1 Year Later.
Thanks, Nina. They're cleaning up the